Oh.
Yeah, come on, man, it's fun. Oh.
Where does blue go?
What?
Where am I going? I'm guessing that's my spot. Alright. Oh my god, they actually paint. Yeah, it's through here. Go, go, go. That one. Eurobeat intensifies. What the hell? Oh no, the lights are on already, which means the game is about to start with 2v4. Fuck no.
Well, I'm just gonna run mine.
Hmm.
I'm gonna run my pistol.
You gotta be shitting me. Are we really gonna go 2v4? Oh, hi.
Okay.
Why'd you move? I already made that joke before. Shoots one more. Make that 7. I'm pretty sure this one's low.
That's the whole thing. Like when I run shotgun, I'm like, fuck, man.
See, I'm
hold enough gas. Like,
I'm gonna take a moment to just use the pistol bit. I'm gonna regret it.
what did you pay for your shotgun? What? What did you pay for your shotgun? Like 160.
Hey, is that someone's grenade?
Huh? Mine?
Oh, you just put that there?
Yeah.
Did I just not notice it?
I'm gonna wait until they go to.
Wait, so it's literally just TDM?
No, wait for them to go for the flag.
Well, that's what I was asking. I don't even know what the objective was.
It's King of the Hill. Play King of the Hill. Yeah,
where's the hill?
You want the flag in the middle to be blue.
Okay.
Not red. The blue one.
Okay, in that case, rifle for sure. This is not gonna help me.
My ass is gonna be right behind the box.
My ass is probably gonna be near White House.
Actually, you know what? I'll go through green.
We got green, we got white. Both of you down center. He's got shotgun.
Well, like I say green, but I'm gonna run through grocery store and go to tavern. You're gonna be all over. Yeah.
I'm gonna go there, then I'm gonna end up there, and
I'll literally loop on them.
Is that what you're called, Loopy?
And it's my last name, spelled backwards with a Y.
People? Oh, with a Y. Pool.
Can't wait till I have my adapter.
What kind?
M4 mag. Bah! Let's go!
M4 mag drum barrel?
No, no drum. I
Oh.
play Speed QB, no drums.
Oh, they don't allow drums.
Yeah. They allow 200 round mid caps.
Mm. That's what I got right here.
That shit's gonna go green.
And I could probably install some mini fans on this thing. I could probably install some very quiet little fans on here. You'll never hear it.
thing is fogging up. It's way too fast.
It's not fogging. It's crying. That's what that is now.
Literally just hit record when it goes green.
Find out theirs went green and we're just sitting here and we're like, eh.
Oh, that happens all the time.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
They're like, just because you said it, this will probably be the one our goes green and they don't. And we walk across Main Street like, what the
Or maybe the other way around.
fuck? Where are they? And then I make it all the way to spawn and walk back out. Be like, Blue, let's go back to spawn. Come on. They didn't start yet.
Fucking nerds.
Fucking nerds. I want to shoot it. Fucking dolphin dive.
Nope, I don't hear the sound of my people. Well, that's why. We were waiting for another person.
14 things.
Because I was rushed.
Oh, that's why we're still red light.
No, he was talking this morning.
Mm.
Bummer. Oh, shit.
Woo! Guys, I got one right here. Ah! Nice. Nice one. I missed. Come back, come back. Woo, that's my ass. I'm through. Hallelujah. My ass stings. Did I get you?
No.
Hit! Right on the math. Don't shoot me! Don't shoot me! Oh fuck no, please don't. Come back, come through, come through. Behind the box. Don't fucking spin. Get in here. Hey. Get. Tell me when'd you get into green? Oh shit, it's just you. Fucking shit, everyone's here. Everyone's scared the shit out of me. Pass the flag. Behind the car. Reloading.
Okay.
I got 2. I got a guy past the flags. Pass the flag, pass the car. Woo! Our flank, go around. Oh my god, fuck you! Fuck you, dude! I heard your fucking footsteps!
Dude, I came up behind you just like this. Hello?
There's a guy right through there.
Hello,
Oh shit.
Randall.
Pass this guy right in that wall. There's a guy, flashlight.
Wait,
Yep. Oh, fuck.
56. You might be, because it sounds like you're shooting a lot more than...
Good. Nice one. God. See, if that was a direct one, I would have called it. That was a team kill.
Dude, I can curve these for somehow. If I turn my gun at a certain distance, it'll start curving.
Mine don't.
Where?
Nah, I was trying to see the curve too. Where's my pistol? There it is. Well, they're not going to front. Did anyone ever get the flag?
Oh, we're playing capture the flag?
I was told King of the Hill.
Yeah, I had no idea.
Oh, fuck. Hit. Hit. Coming up. Who was that? Oh, oh, that was you. Fucking. Oh, dude, that was nice though. Come back, come back. Dead man, dead man, dead man. Dude, I got lucky to get shot in the E. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. You might not want to stand there though. Yeah. Ah. Pistol. Hey, buddy. Oh my god. Scare the shit out of me.
HCA traffic, you won't.
Oh, I will.
Hit the hose.
Right in the middle of a firefight with Meg, and then I'm sitting like my gun's not shooting anymore. Yeah, hold on.